بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to science class with a new topic. Open your books. Students, before we start our new topic, let's revise our previous lecture. So what we had read in that lecture? We read about the 5 senses and sense organs. Our 5 senses are sight, smell, touch, hearing and taste. And sense organs are eyes, nose, skin, ears and tongue. Then we read that in our 5 sense organs, nerves are present. And now what are nerves? Nerves are thread-like structures. And what is the function of the nerves? Yes, it receives the informations from the surrounding and then it sends it to the brain. Then the brain tells us what we touch, what we hear, what we smell and what we see, etc. Students, now come to page 5. Students, today our topic is the systems of the body. The systems of the body. Students, do you know what is system? Yes, when different organs combine together and perform a specific function is called system or organ system. When different organs combine together and perform a specific function is called system or organ system. Students, we have 11 organ systems, but in this unit we will read only 7 systems. And in today's lecture we will read about the first system, that is the skeletal system. The skeletal system. Now what is skeletal system? As by definition of system, different organs combine together and make an organ system. Similarly, in skeletal system, organs that are bones combine together make a system called a skeletal system. Is it clear? Okay, now come to the reading. The skeletal system. The human body has a framework of bones called the skeletal system. The human body has a framework of bones called the skeletal system. Framework means supporting structure. Supporting structures made up of bones. And that framework of bones called skeletal system. That framework of bones called skeletal system. The bones of the body make up the skeleton. The bones of the body make up the skeleton. Students, look at this picture. Look at this picture. It is a skeleton. It is a skeleton. It is made up of different bones. It is made up of different bones. Skull. Skull. In which brain is present. In which brain is present. Jawbone. Jawbone. In which teeth are present. In which teeth are present. Upper arm bone. Upper arm bone. Ribs. Ribs. These are ribs. These are ribs. It make a cage-like structure. It make a cage-like structure called rib cage. Rib cage. Cage mean pinjra, in which heart and lungs are present. heart and lungs are present in rib cage. Lower arm bones. Lower arm bones. Spine. Spine. Spines are the series of vertebrae. Spines are the series of vertebrae, and vertebrae are small bones which form the backbone. Which form the backbone. Vertebrae are small bones which form the backbone. Hip bone. Hip bone. Finger bones. Finger bones. Thigh bone. Thigh bone. Kneecap. Kneecap. With the help of this cap, we can bend our knee. Heel. Heel. Toe bones. Toe bones. Now, the bones give the body a strong framework. They support the body and protect the parts inside. The bones give the body a strong framework. They support the body and protect the parts inside. Bones make our whole skeleton, and the function of the skeleton are: it give shape to our body, it protect our important organs present inside our body, or we can say it protect our inside organs. So, for example, rib cage protect our heart and lungs, and skull protect our brain, and skeleton help us to stand erect. Erect mean straight. Students, अगर हमारे बॉडी में बोन्स ना होते तो हमारी बॉडी में सिर्फ गोश्त होता, एक ही जगह पर पड़े रहते, ना मूवमेंट करते, ना खड़े हो सकते और ना बैठ सकते. Is it clear? Okay. Students, now I am going to tell you short summary of today's lecture. Today we study about the skeletal system. That bones combined together make whole skeleton. Bones combined together make a whole skeleton. Then we study about the functions of skeleton. That it gives shape to our body. It gives shape to our body. It protects our internal organs. It helps us to stand erect. Students, I hope you will understand our today's lecture. Students, now I am giving you homework. Your homework is you will write bones of skeletal system. Write different bones of skeletal system. Students, if you have any problems related to this lecture, you can ask me on WhatsApp. Okay, dear students, take care and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.